son. Hi, my son. I love you. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Good morning, vlog. I look crazy this morning. Hey, Alexa, what day is it?
It's Saturday, March 8th.
Saturday. Trevor's at work right now, and I have to go edit. I think we're gonna get up to some things today. Happy Saturday, y'all. Is Daddy home? There's your daddy.
Hi, Papi.
Wow. Hi, baby. Okay, I made myself a little breakfast. Some protein steaks, an egg, a little bit of syrup, because that's all I had. Strawberries, cottage cheese, and coffee. And of course, I eat everything with Cholula. I have to. So I'm gonna chow down on this. Okay, hi guys. So Trevor and I are running a couple errands right now, and we're literally going to get an alignment for my car right now because we're so responsible.
Super responsible and
very mature. She's been needing an alignment for a while. She's in very bad shape. So it's 1:52 p.m. We're hoping to be out here by 3 or less. And then we're gonna go run some more fun errands after. Okay, just kidding. The alignment person wasn't there. It's not our fault. This is twice now we've gone to get an alignment and the people aren't there, so. They said they're gonna be there tomorrow, but we'll just see, I guess, what happens. But now Trevor and I are gonna go get a fun little bev, and we're gonna go to IKEA because I wanna go to IKEA so bad, and I'm so excited. I love IKEA. BB's stressed, but it's
Not
okay.
Stressed, but it's just like, bro, how are you gonna call yourself a car shop, but you need a specific person on a specific day to do an alignment? It's like, bruh.
Plans change. That's okay. We pivot.
We pit maneuver.
Anything else?
I think that'll be everything.
Alright, perfect. We'll see you out the window.
Thank you. It's not morning, dude. It's 2:17. Mountain looks so pretty. Oh.
Wow. We're here. IKEA.
About this place.
But
It's all the planes that fly over.
let's see what we get. We're getting a bench that I've wanted for so long. Literally the last possible.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Like literally.
Yeah.
Bench. Stored on this one.
This is what we have so far. We're getting a bench, candles, some racks, and some kitchen stuff. Okay, hi guys. We're officially back from our errands. We ended up going to Target as well, but I didn't film that. Let me try to fix this. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a haul of what we got. We went to IKEA. We got some candles. This one smells so good. Smells like fresh linen. We got another blue one. This one just smells like man. Like Trevor's gonna light this in his dream room. I also got some kitchen stuff. So I heard that the IKEA garlic press is like one of the best garlic presses out there, and I'm really excited. I also heard that about the salad spinner, and you guys know I use my salad spinner all the time. And it's like $3, so it's super cheap. I got a frother because ours broke way too long ago. I got these little scoops. One I'm gonna use for our ice because our ice scoop is broken. And then I got a strainer. So a lot of kitchen stuff. And then I'm really excited about these. So they're like actually plate holders, but I don't know if I'm gonna use them specifically for plates. I mean, I might, but I also want to use them, see if they work for like pots or pot lids at least. And then what I'm really excited about is this bench, which you can't really see it, but I'm gonna build it here in just a second. And from Target, we got a big bag of stuff from Target. Oh, I forgot we got one more candle. This one's really cute. And it's jasmine, I believe. It smells so fucking good. I got this soap dispenser. It's supposed to be for a bathroom, but I'm gonna put it in the kitchen because we're still using like a plastic one that is a foaming one, but we don't have foaming soap, so it doesn't really work. We also got a new shower liner because ours, we desperately need a new one. Trevor got a bunch of Joyride, which is Ryan Trahan's candy. They're actually really fucking good. And then couldn't not stock up on poppies. So we got Doc Pop, raspberry rose, strawberry lemon. So we're stocked. Hey guys, it looks like I have no clothes on, but I just got hot. I'm wearing a one piece. But I'm really excited because right now I'm getting ready for a girls' night actually. I'm going out to dinner with one of my friends who I have not seen in so long. So we're literally just gonna catch up. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna get ready right now. I'm just gonna watch my show and I'm gonna drink a little purple Red Bull. If you guys know, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready. Here's my before and hopefully I look and feel cute when I come back. Okay guys, this is the makeup and the hair. What do we think? Now I have to find an outfit, but I kind of want to wear this. Okay guys, I'm officially ready. I'm literally just wearing what I wore today, but I think it's kind of cute and I have my Ugg boots on. I'm gonna go out to dinner and I don't know how much I'll film, but I'll try. Okay, love you guys. Hey, I'm out getting dinner with these girls, these beautiful girls. I got a little tequila Moscow mule. It's really good. Okay, we're back at the house. We got some 1800. Tam's making us some drinks. We got some 0 sugar Sprite. Yes, ma'am. Mixologist. I want to get the... I'm a bartender. Look at that. What do we call this? A tequila soda? Literally. Dirty sody. Ooh. And cheers. Plastic cups. Oh my god, it's so bad. It's more Sprite. Needs more.
Dude, I think I poured like way too much.
Yeah, we're gonna get fucked up. Night's going good so far. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Double cheers.
Drink number 12.
That's better.
Yeah.
This is us after one drink. We'll catch up with you later.
Bye.
Hi guys. I'm officially back home now. I had so much fun hanging out with Tamara. Got a little buzz, so I had to stay there for a long time. I actually left at 3 a.m. Back home now, it's 3:30 and I'm ready to go to bed with my baby. Had a very good day. I bought my plane tickets. Well, Trevor bought for me my plane tickets for May. I'm just happy. I'm excited. Looking forward to the future. And yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I definitely did. Love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next vlog. Okay, love you. Bye.